Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this super fun video, this is something completely new for me. We are going to be making these Poopsie slime surprises. I have two of these. I was at my local shop and I could only get two, so unfortunately there are only going to be two in this video. But I'm so excited. I've never had these before. I've never used them before, so I will be super excited, and hopefully you will too, to see what these are all about. So guys, these make one slime. I assume you get a little receptacle, so a little container to put your slime. So you make your slime and then you put your slime magic in. Make your slime magic, and then this is a little container, I think, that you get inside for holding your slime. So there, it says there are 10 magic surprises inside. So let's go ahead and open our first one. So excited about these. Guys, if the comments below have not been disabled, let me know if you've used these before, and if so, what you think about it. So guys, like I was saying, we get 10 surprises inside here, and let me know in the comments again what your favorite Poopsie is. So let's go ahead and open our first one. Oh, this is nice. We open it out and we have unicorn food. That's nice. So we'll set that right here. Have this one out of the way. Our next surprise is, ooh, some nice, fancy unicorn magic. And then we have, ooh, I don't know what this is. This is a surprise scent. We'll set that right here. Our, top came off. That's okay. We'll throw that to the side. The next thing we have is a magic spoon. I wonder what makes it magic. And that is everything from around there. We pop off the top and we have more surprises inside. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't know what the 10 surprises are, but we've got 7. So we'll put our little container right over here, and let's see what the instructions tell us to do. Okay. Okay, so let's open these all up. So we've got our magic, our food. Let's open our spoon and see what we've got here. Oh, did not open this properly. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, we've got this gorgeous golden spoon with a unicorn head. Very pretty. Let's see what we get here. We've got our unicorn Poopsie scent. We'll open that in a moment. We've got our measuring cup. Oh, and it's got sparkle. Can you see that? That is so cute. I'm going to pop you guys down just a little so you get a better view. What's inside here? Ooh, is this our mystery Poopsie? Oh, look at this mystery Poopsie. It's like a burger, but it must be the queen of burgers because it's got a crown. Very nice. Inside is where we store our slime. We will pop her right there and we'll see what mystery cup we got. Okay, we've got an In-N-Out, Southern California. Guys, we don't have In-N-Out burger in Northern Ireland, but I have heard it's very famous and it is super delicious. But ours is a take on the In-Out burger, In-and-Out burger. It's called In Then Out. So this is our little cup with a fancy straw. That is so adorable. So guys, let me just quickly read the instructions to see what we need to do. We remove our lid from our container, and then we fill the measuring cup to the fill mark, 15 milliliters with water, and pour it into the bottle. So we take our measuring cup, and I think our 15 ml line is just here. So we will just fill that right up with water, and we pop it right in our container, in our little In and Out cup, and then we do that once more. So we'll just go slightly under with this one because we went over in the last one. Okay, and then we put in our magical surprise scent. Let me just get this open. Okay, there we go. Smells really sweet. And we put in 5 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I might put a few more in just for good measure because we have it, and why not? Then we go ahead and we pour in our unicorn food. So that's this little packet right here. Oh, and we'll just move that out of the way so we don't spill it. And guys, what I think I might actually do is get a pair of scissors. Oh, creating a ton of noise. Scissors make this much easier. Guys, if you're going to use scissors and you are underage, please have an adult help you. I've thrown the food everywhere. But we pour in our unicorn food, empty the whole packet in, and put on our lid securely and hold the bottle and lid and shake rapidly up and down for 1 minute. So we will do that. I don't know how long I've been doing this, but I think that's probably okay. Guys, it does say to leave this for 15 to 20 minutes to let it harden. So what we will do is, I didn't put that on very tight, we will set that one off to the side and we will go ahead and open our next one. So we'll pop all of these just right over here and we'll do a tiny bit of cleanup. And we'll open our second one while we're waiting on the first one to harden. So let's open our second Poopsie. We'll just pull it right open. I love the packaging. I love how colourful that they've made these little Poopsie containers. And you just peel back your sticker. If I can peel it back. Oh. I think I'll just use my scissors. And there we go. And we again have our unicorn food. Our second surprise is our unicorn magic. The next surprise, our secret scent. Oh, our lid has popped off. That is okay. We have our magic spoon. And then we'll pop our lid off the top and we get all the rest of our surprises inside. We'll just pull those out. And now we know how to do this. We'll go ahead and open all of our items. We will open our magic spoon and see what spoon that we got. Guys, I think this is the same spoon. That's okay. You can never have too many duplicates in those super cute spoons. We have our secret scent. Much lighter color than the one we got before, so that will be interesting. We've got our mixing cup right here. Okay, we got the same cup. I hope we didn't get a duplicate, but that is so pretty. Let's go ahead and open our bottle. Oh, no way we got a duplicate. That's all right. We're going to make that anyway. And let's see what Poopsie we got. We got exactly the same Poopsie. That's okay. We're going to go ahead and make up another one of these in and out slimes. Oh, we will use our new measuring cup and put 2 of these 15 milliliter water into our Poopsie. I'll just go under this time because I went slightly over. We will put in our magic scent. I will just use my scissors to open this. Again, guys, if you are going to be using scissors, please get an adult to help. They can be very dangerous. Let's just get this open. Oh dear. It's not easy, but let's, oh my gosh. There we go. We've definitely got a different secret scent though. So that's pretty good. And I think what we'll do again is put, oh dear, our 5 drops, but I'm going to put a little bit more. I like my slime to be scented really, really well. So we will pop in our magic unicorn food. We'll try to get it all inside the container this time. It's that gorgeous color. We'll pop our lid on and shake vigorously for 1 minute. I think we're pretty good here, and we're going to let them sit, and then when we come back we will have hopefully some beautiful slime. So guys, stay right there. I'm going to be right back. So guys, we are about 20 minutes in, and we're now going to look at our duplicated slime, but I don't care, it's all good fun. So, oh wow, our slime is really formed. Okay, let's use our magic spoon to get out our slime, and we want it out clean. Okay, it's still a little wet, a little tacky, but that's okay. You have this gorgeous slime. Look at this slime. The more you play with your slime, the less sticky it becomes. But oh my gosh, I got it stuck to me. It's still pretty awesome slime. I've never really, I don't think I can remember playing with this Poopsie slime before, but it is super cool slime and I really like it. I mean, it's a really decent amount of slime, and you can already see that we're starting to get less sticky as we play with it. But to finish off this slime kit, we do get this unicorn. Sorry guys, I'm just going to clean up my hands just a little bit. We've got this unicorn magic that we want to now add to our slime to make it even more beautiful than it already is. I mean, this is a gorgeous pink slime, but we're going to make it much more pretty. We're going to use our unicorn magic. Oh. And we will just pop this off and sprinkle some of this unicorn magic onto our slime. And we'll mix it in and see what we get. We'll just pick up what we have here. So now you can see that it's mixing in really well, and we're getting this more of a pearlescent color to our slime. We'll put some more in. It's this gorgeous pearlescent shimmer that changes our slime into a gorgeous shimmery slime. Guys, the feel of this slime is so good. Like, I don't know who makes this Poopsie slime, but it is so good to play with. And now we've got this gorgeous shimmery pearlescent slime. I mean, this is a decent amount of slime as well. I don't know if I'd mentioned that, but it is so nice. And then what we do is we get our little Poopsie, our Queen Burger Poopsie, and you pop your slime right inside here. Ooh, if we can get it all to go inside the Poopsie. Maybe not. That's okay. So you put some of your Poopsie slime in, and then this is your container for storing your Poopsie slime. The rest of your Poopsie slime you can store in your funky little container that you get that comes along with your little character. Oh guys, do you know what we forgot to do? We forgot to smell this one. So let's smell it and see what this smells like. Oh, I'm so glad that I put the extra scent in. This has a really fruity flavor type scent, like summer fruits. So good. I'm so glad that that scent came with this little Poopsie. This is a different scent. We're going to look at this one and see how this one has come along. Okay, this one is still pretty sticky, but we'll pop it out onto our table. And because it's still sticky, I think what we'll do is, it's a much darker color as well than our other Poopsie. We will put the remainder of our Unicorn Magic in. Oh wow, that's a lot of Unicorn Magic. And we will mix this around. It's definitely helping it to stop being so sticky. And again guys, the more that you play with this slime, the less sticky it becomes. So we're already getting some pretty fun slime. We're just going to lift the rest of our Unicorn Magic. This one I guess I could have left for a little longer. It was a good 20 minutes that I left these slimes. This one is still a little sticky. Probably needs just a little bit longer, but that's okay. It will develop, and it is already starting to become more slime-like. The scent on this one, the scent on this one's really strange. It's hard for me to pinpoint. It's definitely not sweet. It's more of a musky type smell. So I'm not really sure what that scent is. But you can see that we're already starting to get more slime-like consistency. Oh, it is coming away from my hands much easier. And again, guys, like the other one, you can pop some of your slime, which I'm going to do probably later, into your Poopsie, and the rest you can put in your container. So guys, let me know in the comments if you guys have ever used these Poopsie slimes, what your favorite character is, what your favorite cup is. Let me know what your favorite scent is. I definitely think this little fruity scent is far more appealing to me. And if you guys would like to see any more of these videos, I'm really interested in your feedback, so that would be pretty awesome. Guys, if you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, please hit that little subscribe button, and to be notified of any future videos, hit that notification bell. If the comments aren't disabled in the comment section below, let me know again what your favorite item is. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and guys, I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, everybody. I'll catch you next time. Bye.